This car is going for 14.5 million naira and is slightly negotiable. And it's going for 14.5 million naira, slightly negotiable. And it's going for 17 million naira and is slightly negotiable. Go to the comment section now and tell me the type and price of car you're looking for, and I will make a video about it just for you. And it's going for 17 million naira, slightly negotiable. Wait, don't make payment for any of these cars until you have done your physical inspection and test drive.
My name is Uzo Roland. Welcome to Broly's Global Ventures. You can reach me on 090-1996-4974.
This is Lexus RS350 2015 model. This is the engine, V6 engine. This is the interior, brown ventilated seat, interior dashboard, reverse cameras and system, factory fitted AC thermostat, back AC vent right here. That's the back seat view, very clean. It has a sunroof, 2015 model. It has a reverse camera, and this car is going for 29.5 million naira and is slightly negotiable. This is a foreign used Lexus RS350 2013 model. This is the engine, 2GRFE V6 engine. This is the black ventilated seat, interior steering, dashboard, reverse cameras and system, factory fitted AC thermostat, back AC vent right here. That's the back seat view, very clean. It has a sunroof, 2013 model. It has a reverse camera. Like and share this video, follow us and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Video Map TV. Now and it's going for 28.5 million naira, slightly negotiable. This is a foreign used Lexus RS350 2014 model. This is the engine, 2GRFE V6 engine. The battery is durable. This is the ventilated seat, interior, the steering, dashboard, reverse camera sound system, factory fitted AC, back AC vent right here. That's the back seat view, comfortable for 3 persons. This is the sunroof, 2014 model. It has a reverse camera and is going for 28.5 million naira, slightly negotiable. This is 2013 Lexus RS350. As you can see, the engine, 2GRFE V6 engine. This is the interior, the dashboard, reverse camera sound system, factory fitted AC thermostat. Everything is working perfectly well. Back AC vent, the back seat view. It has a sunroof, 2013 model. It has a reverse camera and is going for 27 million naira and is slightly negotiable. This is a foreign used Mercedes-Benz GLA 250 2015 model. This is the engine, 4-blocks engine. This is the leather seat, interior, the steering, dashboard, reverse camera sound system, factory fitted AC thermostat. This is the back AC vent right here. The back seat view, very clean, comfortable. It has a double panoramic roof, 2015 model. It has a reverse camera and it's going for 26.5 million naira and is slightly negotiable. This is Mercedes-Benz GLK 350 2014 model, red color. This is the engine, V6 engine. The battery is durable. This is the interior, the steering, dashboard, factory fitted AC, reverse camera sound system, thermostat, back AC vent. That's the back seat view. It has a double panoramic roof, 2014 model. It has a reverse camera. This car is going for 25 million naira and is slightly negotiable. This is black color 2011 Mercedes-Benz GLK 350 foreign use. This is the engine, V6 engine. The battery is durable. This is a black ventilated seat, interior, steering, dashboard, reverse camera sound system, factory fitted AC, back AC vent right here, the back seat view. This car smells nice. It has a double panoramic roof, 2011 model. This car is going for 24.5 million naira, slightly negotiable. This is a foreign used Toyota Venza 2015 model. Here is the engine, 2GRFE V6 engine. The battery is durable. This is the interior, ventilated seat, interior, steering, dashboard, reverse camera sound system, factory fitted AC thermostat, automatic transmission. Back AC vent right here is the back seat view. It has a sealed roof, 2015 model. It has a reverse camera. This car is going for 24.5 million naira, slightly negotiable. This is black Lexus ES350 2014 model. Here is the engine, 2GRFE V6 engine. This is the interior, ventilated seat, interior, the steering, dashboard, reverse camera sound system, factory fitted AC thermostat, Back AC vent right here. This is the back seat view. It has a sunshade. Here is the sunroof. 2014 model. It has a reverse camera. This car is going for 24 million naira and is slightly negotiable. This is 2014 Lexus ES350 foreign use. Here you go, the engine, 2GRFE V6 engine. This is the interior, ventilated seat interior, the reverse camera sound system. Everything here is working perfectly well. The thumb starts. This is the back AC vent, the back seat view. It has a sunshade. Here is the sunroof. 2014 model. It has a reverse camera and it's going for 24 million naira and is slightly negotiable. This is a foreign use Toyota Camry XLE 2015 model. This is the engine, Dovey VTI 4-plus engine. This is the interior, leather seat interior, the steering, the dashboard, reverse camera sound system, factory fitted AC, thumb start, automatic transmission, back AC vent right here. This is the back seat view. You can see how clean this car is. This is the sunroof. 2015 model. It has a reverse camera. This car is going for 23 million naira and is slightly negotiable. This is the foreign use Toyota Camry 2017 model. This is the engine, Dovey VTI 4-plus engine. This is the leather seats interior, the steering, dashboard, reverse camera sound system, factory fitted AC, thumb start, back AC vent. This is the back seat view, comfortable for 3 persons. It has a sealed roof. 2017 model. It has a reverse camera. This car is going for 20 million naira and is slightly negotiable. This is a blue color foreign use 2016 Toyota Camry. You can see it, Dovey VTI 4-plus engine. This is the fabric seat, interior, steering, dashboard, factory fitted AC, reverse camera sound system. This is the back seat view, very clean. This leather mixed with fabric. It has a sunroof. 2016 model. It has a reverse camera and it's going for 19.5 million naira, slightly negotiable. This is a foreign use Toyota Camry 2014 model, sports edition. Here you go, to GRFE V6 engine. This is a black ventilated seat, the steering, dashboard, reverse camera sound system, factory fitted AC, thumb start. That's the back seat view. Here is the sunroof. 2014 model. It has a reverse camera and is going for 17.5 million naira, slightly negotiable. This is 2011 Mercedes-Benz E350 foreign use. Let's see the engine. Here you go, V6 engine. The battery is durable, the catalyst is intact. This is the interior, black ventilated seat interior, the steering, dashboard, factory fitted AC, reverse camera sound system, back AC vent. There's the back seat view, very comfortable. It has a sunroof. 2011 Mercedes-Benz E350 Formatic foreign use. It has a reverse camera right here. This car is going for 17 million naira, slightly negotiable. This is 2011 Mercedes-Benz ML350 black color. This is the engine, V6 engine. The battery is durable. This is the interior, black leather seat interior, steering, dashboard, AC, reverse camera sound system, back AC vent right here. This is the back seat view. It has a sunroof. 2011 model. It has a reverse camera and is going for 17 million naira, slightly negotiable. This is foreign use 2011 Honda Pilot. This is the engine, V6 engine. This is the interior, the steering, dashboard, reverse camera sound system, factory fitted AC, automatic transmission, back AC vent right here. That's the back seat view. It has a third row seat, roof DVD player, sunroof. 2011 model. It has a reverse camera and it's going for 17 million naira and is slightly negotiable. This is 2010 Mercedes-Benz C300 black color. See how clean this car is. This is the engine, V6 engine. This is the black ventilated seats interior, steering, dashboard. It has a pop-up reverse camera, factory fitted AC, back AC vent right here. This is the back seat view. It has a sunroof. 2010 C300 Mercedes-Benz. It has a reverse camera, foreign use, and is going for 14.5 million naira, slightly negotiable. This is 2007 Toyota Highlander foreign use. Here is the engine, VVTi V6 3.3 liters engine. The battery is durable. This is the ventilated seat interior, the steering, dashboard, sound system, factory fitted AC. the back seat view. You can see it. It has a third row seat. Here is the sunroof. 2007. This car is going for 14.5 million naira and is slightly negotiable. Name 3 cars you will advise people to buy today and why.
Okay, the 3 cars I'm going to name will be based on fuel economy. It's also going to be based on the cost of maintenance. The first car I would advise for one to get is first and foremost a 2010 Toyota Corolla, due to the fact that it's fuel economical and the parts are very easy to get. The second car I would advise one to get will be a 2010 Lexus RX 350. In as much as it's a V6 engine, it also runs a good fuel economy and the parts also are easy to access.
Okay.
And the third one will be a Benz. It's going to be a 2013 Mercedes-Benz ML 350. Good car, V6 engine. Parts also are easily accessible. If you do your servicing as at when, you won't have any issues with any of these cars.
What will you advise people to watch out for when buying a foreign used car?
The most important thing first is to check the history of the car, see if it has any accident overseas. Also, while going to check the car, it's always advisable you go with a mechanic that has a good scanning device to check if there is any issues with the car. Then also confirm the customs paper before you make a payment for any car. These are the advice that I'll give to anyone who wants to get a car.
Name 1 car you would not advise anyone to buy today and why.
The car that I won't advise anybody to buy would be a Volkswagen Touareg, in the sense that it has electrical issues. If I am given a chance to also mention the second one, it's going to be a 2010 Mercedes-Benz GL 450. High cost of maintenance.
Do you swap cars?
No, I don't do swapping.
Where do you get your cars from?
All my cars are gotten from the United States of America.
Do you rent cars?
No, I don't do renting.
Are the prices of your cars negotiable?
Very negotiable.
Do you accept instrumental payments?
Yes, I do accept instrumental payments. 12 to 24 months if the necessary documents are submitted and verified.
What is the price of the cheapest car you have here in your dealership now?
The price of the cheapest car that I have in my dealership will be a 2005 Toyota Corolla, going for 9.8 million.
Why are the prices of foreign used car going up these days?
The reason being because of inflation and also the cost of customs duty. The customs increase duty at will. Let me just put it that way. You know, the duty you might get for this month might not be what you are going to be paying for the next month.
Do you do car delivery services to your buyers?
Yes, that's the state of Nigeria.
Are your cars stolen cars?
No.
Please ensure that everything is working perfectly well before you make any payment. Even if you no wan buy any car, I beg, like and share this video, follow us and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Videomap TV. Now.
My name is Uzo Roland. Welcome to Broly's Global Ventures. You can reach me on 090-1996-4974, 090-1996-4974. You can reach us at Euro 65 Park beside Fort Oil Filling Station, immediately after Mile 2 bus stop, Lagos, Nigeria.